Hi everyone, my name is Ryian.
I'm Abby.
And welcome to another ARdeco video. We are on our second part. Just a bit of background from the first video. We are tackling a challenge of making our front foyer to be a place that is clean and serene, from a place of clutter and huge mess. Here's another walkthrough on how it looked before, just in case you forgot.
As Art Deco tradition, we reuse, repurpose, refurbish our items that we still could. In here, we have this brown entryway table that we are recrafting into an off-white color. What we're first going to do is clean this all up, arrange them by color, that way it looks neat and clean.
Instead of buying a store-bought key hook, what we're gonna be doing is we have this 5 cube that we bought. And what we're gonna do is this will be placed in the wall, and we'll be putting hooks in here, and at least it will be something unique for this house. So the end product, this is how it looks like. You did tell me that you wanted the furnitures to be in certain colors.
Yeah.
Why did you choose to go with a shoe rack to be black and then the small table for the entrance to be white?
So I had the entry table white because I wanted it to almost like disappear, as if
Interesting.
it's almost with the wall already. The reason for that is because it's so narrow that you do not want to put contrast color because it's just going to make the space look even tighter. For you to be able to make a space wider or bigger without you putting a mirror, that is one key way, is to use color. Use the illusion of color.
And just curious, there was a mirror that when you enter to the door, you'll see a mirror. And I'm not sure if it's common, but I believe it's common for people because, you know, if it's the entrance and exit of your house, before you go out, you tend to look at yourself to see if you're good.
It makes sense, yeah.
But you told me that you were against it. Why were you against it?
I took it off because when you open the door, you do not want to put a mirror right across from where the door opens. The reason for that is because for me, I believe in feng shui, and if there is a mirror right across from the front door, you're basically kicking out the good chi. Good chi means like the good energy, because you are just reflecting back of what is outside, and there is no way for the good energy or the chi to roam around into the space.
There is a closet in the entryway, and the closet doesn't have doors in it. Well, it had doors before, but
it had doors before.
Yeah, but the doors weren't strong enough, I guess, and how I used to open it, and we broke it pretty much. So by that said,
you broke it.
Yeah. Well, my brother too.
Okay, okay.
But anyway, it was open before because my mom was just tired of like, you know what, guys, I think we just have to remove the doors. What we did instead, we just took it out. So by that said, everything that was inside the closet was exposed.
Yeah.
Why did you go with the option of putting curtains in it? And keep in mind, these curtains are just your typical window curtains.
Yeah.
So why did you go to that direction?
I went to that direction because it'll be easier and it looks neater that way. And I picked that color as well because it's very close to the wall paint. So just like the table, it basically disappears. Disappears. Keep in mind, the reason why we're doing this is because we wanted it to look neat and to look like an actual entryway, which it actually is.